Hello everyone. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രോബ്ലം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ we are going to find the surface area of the surface that is generated by revolving a plane curve about a line. നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിച്ച കാര്യം തന്നെയാണ്. ഒരു പ്ലെയിൻ കർവ് ഒരു ആക്സിസിലൂടെ റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we will get a what is it a solid of revolution. അങ്ങനെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് solid of revolution there is a surface, right? And we are going to find the area of that surface. Then what is the surface area? A surface of a revolution is a surface that is generated by revolving a plane curve about an axis that lies in the same plane as the curve. Okay, now our problem is to find that surface area. രണ്ട് ഫോർമുല ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് നമുക്കറിയാം. One arises when it is revolved about the x-axis and the second one when the plane is revolved about the y-axis. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് first case consider ചെയ്യാം. For when it is revolved about which axis? Revolved about x-axis. Here we have y is equal to f of x is a smooth curve. F of x എങ്ങനത്തെ കർവ് ആയിരിക്കും? സ്മൂത്ത് കർവ് ആയിരിക്കും. നമുക്കറിയാം what is a smooth curve. സ്മൂത്ത് കർവ് എന്താണ്? f dash കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ആവുന്ന കർവിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? സ്മൂത്ത് കർവ് ആയിരിക്കും. And it is a non-negative function. ഇതെന്തായിരിക്കും വേണം? Non-negative ആണെങ്കിൽ if f of x is smooth curve and non-negative, then the surface area of revolution that is generated by revolving the portion of the curve y is equal to f of x between x is equal to a and x is equal to b about the x-axis. അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ പ്രോബ്ലം. നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ ഒരു y is equal to f of x എന്നുള്ള ഒരു കർവ് ഉണ്ട് which is smooth and non-negative and it is revolved about which axis? X-axis between what and what? A and b. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു solid ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, surface of the solid ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. And what is the area of that surface? It is given by S is equal to integral a to b. It is revolved about which axis? X-axis revolve ചെയ്യാണ്. So it is 2 pi f of x into root of 1 plus f dash x square dx. Right? നമുക്ക് ഈ റാഡിക്കൽ സൈൻ വരുന്ന നമ്മൾ ആർക്ക് ലെങ്ത് ഉപയോഗിച്ചപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്തത് ഇതായിരുന്നു. Right? Now comes the second problem. Second problem endana? Here we will have a curve. What is it? X is equal to g of y and it is between y is equal to c and y is equal to what is it? D. Right? If it is revolved about which axis? Y-axis, we get a solid of revolution or the surface and the area of that surface is given by the formula S is equal to integral from where to where? C to D 2 pi g of y, what is it? Root of 1 plus g dash y square with respect to what? Y. Right? അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് ഫോർമുലയും കിട്ടി. നമ്മൾ തിയറിയിലൊന്നും പോകുന്നില്ല. Just we are studying the formula and doing the problem. Okay, let us move on to a problem. Problem is like this. Find the area of the surface that is generated by revolving the portion of the curve y is equal to x cube between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay, നമ്മൾ ഒരുമാതിരി പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ അത് ഗ്രാഫ് ചെയ്യാനൊന്ന് ശ്രമിച്ചേക്കാം. y is equal to x cube എന്നുള്ളത് 0 0 and it is 1 1 between what and what? 1 and 1. Right? ഇതായിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ curve എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. X is equal to 0 2. Right? We are revolving about which axis? We are revolving about x-axis. So what do you have to find? We have to find the area of the surface or the surface area. What is the surface area? We have studied that S is equal to integral from A to B 2 pi f of x into root of 1 plus f dash x square dx. Right? അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇതിന്റെ അകത്ത് കിടക്കുന്ന ഓരോ വാല്യൂസും നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. What is f dash x? F of x is equal to y is equal to f of x ആണ്. So f of x is equal to what is x cube. Then dy by dx will be equal to what is it? F dash x, which is equal to what is it? 3x square. Is it right? Then radical sign എന്താണ്? Root of 1 plus f dash x square ആണ് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്, which is equal to root of, what is it, 1 plus 9x raised to 4. Is it right? So we have got everything in the formula. So we will substitute for the answer. Then what is S? S is equal to integral from where to where? 0 to 1, right? 0 to 1. 2 pi, we can take outside 2 pi outside. F of x is, what is it? X cube into root of 1 plus 9x raised to 4 dx. Alright? Then we have to do the integration using substitution. In the substitution 9x raised to 4 and we can put as u. Right? That means, what is it? 36x cube dx will be equal to what? Du. Right? The x cube dx under. So what is x cube dx? X cube dx is du by 36. Tirno illalo. Then we have to apply the limit. When x is equal to 0, what about u? U will be equal to 1. And one more case, x is equal to 1. U in substitute 1 plus 9, which is equal to 10. Right? So moving to the problem, we will get 2 pi into integral limit 1 to 10. Root in the radical root u x cube dx nu pagaram endu kodukam du by 36. In the integration value that is 2 pi by 36 into u raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from where to where? 1 to 10. Which is equal to, on simplifying this, you will get pi by, cancel the 2 to cancel each other, pi by 27, 10 raised to upper limit 3 by 2 minus lower limit, that is 1 raised to 3 by 2. When substituting these values, we will get as 3.56. I hope you understand. Now, we will y-axis rotating the problem. Consider the problem. Find the area of surface that is generated by revolving the portion of the curve y is equal to x square between x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Figure it is a parabola opening upward. Between what and what? It is between 1 and 2. Revolved about which axis? It is revolved about y-axis. Now, y-axis ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ question നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് y is equal to x square എന്നാണ്. We have to rewrite in the form x is equal to, what is it? Y raised to 1 by 2. Is it right? Then, add the range നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ വേണ്ടത്, we have to find the range of, what is it? Y. When x is equal to 1, what is y? Y will be equal to 1. And when x is equal to 2, what is about y? Y is equal to 4. So y varies from where to where? 1 to 4. Right? And coming to the formula, what is the formula? Integral c to d 2 pi g of y. G of y is x is equal to g of y format. Revolving about y-axis root of 1 plus g dash y square dy. Is it right? So we can substitute. Substitute radical signs. What is the g of y? We have got x is equal to y raised to 1 by 2. So dx by dy is equal to root y derivative 1 by 2 root y. Is it right? So root of 1 plus g dash y the whole square. But confuse g dash y dx by dy is equal to root of 1 plus 1 by 4y. Right? G dash y square 1 by 4y. Taking the LCM, you will get 4y plus 1 by 4y square root. Right? Or it can be written as root of 4y plus 1 divided by 2 root y. Is it right? Then we can substitute. When we substitute in our formula, we will get S is equal to integral. ആരുടെ ലിമിറ്റ് ആണ് വേണ്ടത്? റിവോൾവിംഗ് അബൌട്ട് y ആക്സിസ് ആയത് കാരണം yയുടെ ലിമിറ്റ് ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. That is 1 to 4. 2 pi you can take outside. G of y, what is g of y? G of y is root y, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ y raised to 1 by 2 into root of 4y plus 1 divided by 2 root y dy. Is it right? Pi cancel the boom. 2 will cancel each other. Root y will cancel each other. Then answer is pi from 1 to 4. What is it? Root of 4y plus 1 dy. Right? Either you can integrate directly or you can substitute 4y plus 1 is equal to u. Then 4 dy is equal to what is it? D. Therefore, dy is equal to what is it? Du by 4. And coming to the limit, when y is equal to 1, what about u? U is equal to 5. When y is equal to 4, u is equal to 16 plus 1, which is equal to 17. Right? Then we can come to our formula pi into integral. 5 to 17. Is it right? Root of what is it? U. Then dy is what is it? Du by 4. Is it right? You can take 1 by 4 outside. Root u is u raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 from 5 to 17. Cancelling out, we will get pi by 6. 2 into 3 varum pi by 6. 17 raised to 3 by 2, that is the upper limit, minus lower limit is 5 raised to 3 by 2. If you substitute this, you will get the answer as 30.85. I hope you understand. Thank you for listening.